tomorrow, or today, wait, what date is it? I'm heading to Ireland. So Tor has been in Ireland for about 2.5 weeks now, filming a new project, and I have the honor of getting to join him on set for a few days, and then we are traveling around the country because we will be celebrating our second wedding anniversary at the same time. Couldn't be in a more romantic spot than Ireland. As promised, I'm showing you guys what I am packing for Ireland. To be quite honest, I'm not exactly sure how to make a packing video, as this is my first one, and I'm not exactly sure what you guys want to see. I'm still new to vlogging, guys. But think of it more as like a sneak peek into what you'll be seeing on the A-list and my Instagram and Pinterest as we frolic around the Emerald Isle. Packing all kinds of things such as boots, coats, sweaters. To be fair, I was planning on bringing more dresses than originally planned, but it seems Ireland's still a little bit on the chilly side and rainy side, which I'm not complaining about. So, had to rethink the wardrobe just a little bit. Just when I thought that I was finished with coats and sweaters for the year after our Finland trip, Ireland's like, yeah, you may want to bring some of those with you. Side note, at some point in this video, I'm pretty sure a cat's gonna photobomb or video bomb, I don't know the correct term. Anyway, Cat may jump in at one point, and this is exactly what happens whenever Torrance and I plan or pack our suitcases. The cats are like, are we coming too? As much as I wish they were, they are not. I hate packing. I love unpacking. I hate packing. I'm always quite certain I'm gonna forget something, because 9 times out of 10, I usually do. I hope it's like a sock or something that I forget and not like pants. One question that I get all the time is how do I plan my looks, especially for travels that last 2 weeks, just like this Ireland trip. I do a lot of research on our locations before we go, before I even plan out my looks, whether it be on social media, Pinterest, Google Images, or even the location's own website. I like to look at the color schemes, I like to look at the weather forecast in advance to kind of get an idea about what to wear. And it all just factors into, okay, well, if that aesthetic is more like a Georgian kind of manner, Downton Abbey, I will make sure that my looks kind of match that aesthetic. And that's where I start to get into thinking, okay, well, if there's a lot of creams in this place, then I'm thinking maybe there should be more pops of color in my outfits just to kind of make the whole room just come together. Sometimes it's a success, and there have been plenty of times where it's been a flop. So it's a lot of trial and error. Is it too cliche to dress in all green for Ireland? Should I bring this guy again? Or is it too much? Nah, not too much. One thing that I'm looking forward to about Ireland is getting to play with different kinds of layers for spring. And I have a blog post coming out this week about it. I love mixing florals and lace. It's one of my favorite spring layer combinations. And I'm getting to do that in Ireland, where I've taken this blouse that I wore back in Charleston with this Paige Denim floral dress with some brown knee-high boots. It's gonna look country, but feminine. How cool is this Zara coat? It's gonna be a little bit big, but that's okay. Then I can fit this oversized Free People sweater underneath these cuffs. Yes. Thank you, Ireland, for not being too warm. Now I can get to wear some of these sweaters I didn't get to wear in Finland. Lately, I've been obsessed with finding all kinds of designer gems off of eBay. I found this coat by Tory Burch off eBay. Look at these colors. I cannot wait to wear this coat. I'm probably gonna pair it with my brown riding boots. Well, maybe I'll go riding in this. This jacket and top are both from Constas. I love these sleeves. Look, look, look. Oh, this says Ireland to me. You cannot, whatever you do, go to Ireland without bringing a proper pair of wellies. Scratch that, make that 2 pairs of wellies. I rely on hunter boots for a lot of my rainy weather outfits, even here in LA when it does rain. So I'm really excited to wear these boots with this coat. It's a Hudson's Bay Company vintage coat. Found it off of Etsy, and being married to a Canadian and having spent a lot of time in Canada, I really wanted a vintage Hudson Bay Company coat, and I found one. Whew. Hot chocolate break. Some of the gadgets that I'm bringing include this curling iron wand. It's interchangeable, so I have a bigger barrel for more looser waves and bigger curls, and then this one, which is the 1 inch, it has been my, there we go. It's been my signature for the last 7 months, 8 months. What's great is it's universal voltage. I can bring it anywhere around the world and it'll keep my hair looking like it always does. For those who know me, they know that scents are pretty important to me, mainly because I have a very sensitive nose. I pick up scents from a mile away. It's a blessing and a curse. But whenever I travel, I wear different scented perfume. So whenever time I smell that scent, I'm reminded of where I was. For example, in Finland and Iceland, because it was snowy in winter, I wore Byredo's No Name perfume. But whenever I'm in Ireland or the UK, I wear Jo Malone's Wild Bluebell. If it'll focus. No? It'll focus? There we go. It smells like a field that you would basically run through in the Cotswolds, or in our case, the Irish countryside. I started wearing this on my last Ireland trip, which was back in February of 2016. It was right before Torrance and I got married. And every time I smell this scent, I'm reminded of that trip. I'm reminded of our last trips to London. So I only wear it in Ireland or the UK. So that's coming with me. The whole time. That's it for this packing video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that we post from Ireland. I cannot wait to show you guys where we go and what we do, and of course, what I wear. Be sure to check out my Ireland packing list blog post where I link some of these items that I'll be wearing in Ireland.